yummy choco kulfi bar. It's very easy to make. You only need three main ingredients. So the first main ingredient is bread. I have taken multi-grain bread. You can take any bread, milk bread or white bread, sweet bread, any bread that's available. Any bread you can take, and just I am making it into small pieces. Sugar, as much as you like, you can add. And the next main thing is cocoa powder. We are not using any chocolate or anything. All we are going to add is this cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Then we'll have to grind it in a mixer. You don't have to make it very small for a fine powder or anything. If you want, you can make it, or else anyhow we are going to grind it in the last. So this is how it will look like. It's kind of a sand texture. And let's boil 500 ml of milk. Once it started boiling, we can add the mixture that we have prepared before. Just add little by little. So once it thickens, you can switch off the flame. It's as simple as that, and the taste is amazing. Trust me, you have to try it at least once. We are not adding any fancy ingredients, just milk, cocoa powder and bread. Once we switch off the flame, let's wait until it cools down completely. Then we can just blend it in a mixer to make a silky smooth kulfi batter. If you don't have the kulfi tray, you can take any glass. Okay, you can just pour it into any glass you have, any cups or anything which will have a shape. It will come in its shape. So don't worry if you don't have a kulfi tray, it doesn't matter at all. Before adding the kulfi stick, we have to set it at least 1 hour in the freezer, so that it will just half set. Then only we are going to add the ice cream sticks into it, or else it will just, it won't stand upright like this. So we should wait at least 1 hour before we put the stick into it. Once it is half set, as you can see, it will just stand like this. And then you have to keep it overnight in a refrigerator, or minimum 5 hours in the freezer. Ta-da! Our choco kulfi bar is ready. If you want, you can cover and keep it in the refrigerator so that the ice won't form above the kulfi. And to remove it, let's dip it in the warm water for 20 seconds. Do not keep it too much time, or do not take hot water, then it will start melting. So just have a dip and just take it out. Even if you're using a glass, please follow the same thing. For decorating, I have just sprinkled some grated chocolate above it. Enjoy the super simple choco kulfi bar.